So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng Surf for All 99 sa ating Globe SIM. But first, can you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video mula sa ating mobile phone, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating device. And dito guys, dial lang natin is *143 number sign or hashtag, and then call. And after naman yan guys, dito piliin lang natin yung number 7 which is yung Surf for All. So type number 7 and then send. And lastly guys, piliin na natin dito yung Surf for All 99. Kaya ang ilagay natin is number 1 and then send. So ayan guys, sabi dito kapag daw nag-register tayo ng Surf for All 99, makaka-earn tayo ng 1 reward points kapag meron tayong Globe One app. And bukod pa dyan guys, makakakuha tayo ng 9GB na data para sa lahat ng access, and shareable data din siya guys. Hindi lang natin siya ma-access, pwede man natin i-share yung data natin sa iba. At valid na siya guys for 7 days for only 99 pesos. So para ma-register guys or ma-subscribe, type natin yung number 1 and then send. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng Surf for All 99 sa ating Globe SIM. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.